Yo guys, what's up? Back with another video. Today I found this LG Inverter direct drive washing machine. One of these piece of crap washing machines. LG modern piece of crap. I did find this in the garbage. I like washing machines, so I just went ahead and what the heck, I'll just grab it anyway. I do hate LG. I don't recommend it, but like JK18 said, diamond glass. It means it's more expensive. Let's see, what do we got here? Inverter direct drive, high efficiency, 6 motion, wave force, a turbo wash. Oh no, your kit? No, this cannot be true. It's Energy Star rated. Wow, that's so impressive. Wow. Well, I didn't know. Well, what about? Okay. Okay. One thing I don't understand is. I am laughing right now. I am. What? This thing. What is this? Like, oh wait, I can't open it? The lid's locked. Oh, look at the features. You got a custom program. You got a cold wash. You got, wow. Oh wow, you got special use items too. Wow. You got a turbo wash right there. Oh, water plus. Oh, I wonder if it adds any more water. Well, probably, if it does, probably not very much. But let's just take a look inside here, shall we? See what it's doing. Okay, it appears to be washing right now. I found this in the garbage about 20 minutes ago. The cord was cut, so I had to put a cord on it. And now it's gonna do its whoopies, whatever. It's just gonna go back and forth, back and forth. What are you gonna do next? Oh wow, now it's gonna spin with water in it. What is it doing? Why is it spinning with freaking water in it? I'm sorry if you can't see very well. The lid is very foggy. Well, it's dirty, not really foggy, but whatever, call it your way. But it's dirty, so I'm sorry if it's not very good. Okay, now it's gonna go back and forth. Oh, how much time we got left? 16 minutes. This has been going for at least 10 minutes. Probably more. Probably about 10-15 minutes. And the other washer I got over there, it would have been finished already. But I found this in the garbage, so I just grabbed this. I do like washing machines. I like the sound of them, but I don't recommend this machine. But I just went ahead and grabbed it. I'm running it through a rinse and spin cycle right now, just to test it out, see if everything's working. I haven't tested the hot water yet, which I'm going to. I'm going to test everything out, make sure everything works. Oh, now it's straining. Okay, it's straining now. We still got 16 minutes left, and it's turning, well, creamy. Okay, I've never really seen that before, but okay. So now it's straining out. Let's see if it spins. And the cord was cut off. Like, I don't know why they cut it, because everything appears to be working right now. "15 minutes left to go." Why did it stop draining? There's still water in there. A little bit. What is it doing? What is it doing? What the heck is it doing? It just stopped draining, now it's turning all of a sudden. Okay. Don't know what it's doing, really. 14 minutes left to go. Okay. It's draining again. Oh crap, I thought it was broken. No. Oh well, it's LG. What do you expect from LG? Here's the back of it. See, the cord was cut, so we had to strip wires and cut the cord to it that we had from something else. We cut the cord off of something else and kept it. We keep cords, for something else like these. But 14 minutes left. Okay. Let me get a clear spot. Alright. LG washing machine. Inverter, direct drive motor, 10-year warranty. Huh. And diamond glass again. Alright, I'm gonna try and find a clear spot for you guys. Where it's not so foggy. Alright guys, this is about the best spot that I can find, so I hope this is good. Okay, it's gonna start spinning. The spin speed is on a high spin speed. Yeah, if you're wondering why it's out of balance, this machine is not on level ground. Like, I have it on the ground, like the concrete. It's outside, like, it's quite obvious, it's outside. I found it in the garbage this way. So that's why it's outside, so if it's out of balance, it's just because it's unlevel. I'm sure if it's level, it won't be out of balance as much. But we got 13 minutes left, 12 minutes now. What's 13 now? We got 12. Okay, now it's going to start spinning. Okay. Like I said, this is on a rinse and spin. Alright, we'll just see what happens. So, everything appears to be working. This will get listed up for sale. Yeah. I have to test everything on it. That pump sounds weird. Yeah, it may look like it's spinning very fast on camera, but it's not really. It's just now starting. Like, it'll get much faster than this. It has, it has 5 different speed settings. No spin, low, medium, high, and extra high. And it's on a high spin speed right now, so it's one step away from full speed. But this is on a high spin speed, so this won't be full speed. So appears to be working so far. I'm actually surprised this thing is still working, because I was thinking it would be dead, because it's an LG modern. Okay, now it's slowing down. Why? Why is it slowing down? Okay. 10 minutes left to go. Pump sounds weird. It's going like chugga 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 like a choo-choo train. I don't know if you guys can hear that. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it sounds like a choo-choo train. But alright, so like I said, we got a LG inverter direct drive washing machine found in the garbage. Appears to be working okay. And also, we also found this this mini fridge, which I'll do another video on it. I'll do another video on it after this washer video, so stay tuned for that. We got 9 minutes left. Here's another shot of it. LG. Okay, let's see what it does now. Okay. It's speeding up. It appears to be working just fine. Everything seems to be working okay. But I still haven't tested the hot water, so I'm not exactly sure. Eight minutes left to go. Gorp. It's gurgling right now. Okay, it's speeding up. Holy cow. Thing is moving. Okay, it's speeding up. It's getting up to speed so far. I think this will be a successful sale. Okay. It's getting there. Like I said, I know it looks like it's spinning I know it looks like it's spinning like freaking so fast, but it's just the camera. It just can't handle how fast this is turning. That's all. But it's getting up to speed on high spin speed. I hope this doesn't blow up in my face. So I don't know what's wrong with it yet, because it's a washing machine. They threw it out for some reason. They had to throw it out for some reason. Okay. It's getting there. So far, so good. There's still water trickling out of the hose. So far, so good. Gonna obviously clean it out, wipe it up, wipe it all down, do a test load in it. Well, not just one, a few, to make sure this machine is completely fine, because you know how LGs are. LGs, they don't work that well, so I'm gonna do quite a few loads before I sell this. And let me know in the comments, how much do you think I should sell this for? I'm thinking about $100 bucks. So $100 or so, I think that's a flawless deal. Alright, it's doing so far so good. I have no idea if this is as fast as it's gonna get on a high spin speed, because like I said, it's on a high spin speed and not extra high. Low battery, so I'm on low battery. I just got a notification that I'm on low battery, so let's see what we got. It's on a high spin speed. It's shaking. The reason why it's shaking is because the machine's shaking. Alright, so it's on a high spin speed, as you can see, not extra high. So I think this may be a high spin speed right here. So far, so good. Okay, the pump shut off. Okay. Okay, the pump came back on. I kinda did not expect that, but it didn't really scare me. Like it gave me like a little, like a very, very small jump. But it just gave me like attention, like what was that noise? But it didn't really scare me though. Okay, so we have 3 minutes left and this rinse and spin cycle will be complete. So appears to be working great. LG inverter direct drive. Okay, why does the pump keep shutting on and off? Okay. I don't know. I need to go find a magnet somewhere because the lid is locked. Like I can't open it. But I need to find a magnet that way I can run it with it open. Yeah, the lid lock is a magnet switch. So, like an electric magnet switch. So I need to find like a magnet. So I can run it with it open. 2 minutes left. Got your bleach dispenser right there, and you can't see it really, but up there, like right here, there's a little soap dispenser. Okay, it's almost done. We have 2 minutes left. Okay, we have 1 minute left, so it has completed the cycle pretty much. It has pretty much completed the cycle. Okay, it's speeding up a little bit. Oh god, please don't blow up. Okay, it's slowing down. Slowing down. Yeah, it's shaky because it's not on rubber ground. Okay. it's finished. It's finished, so I don't know why they threw it out, because it finished the cycle. So just turn it off here. It says end right there. Just gonna turn it off. And yeah, it completed the cycle. So here's the look at a LG Inverter Direct Drive, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I hope you guys have a good day. Found this LG washing machine in the garbage, and it completed the cycle on a rinse and spin cycle. So it has completed the cycle, and that pretty much does it for this video. So I guess I will see you in the next video, and I guess I'll see you next time. Hit the like and subscribe, and thank you guys very much for watching. Until next time, peace.